Hello everybody, I'm working on a 2008 Toyota Highlander. The airbag light was on, so I was getting the code B1660, I believe, but I will double check on that. I'm pretty sure it was B1660 and the airbag was on. So when you have that code, it's definitely this part right here. So as you see, I replaced the part. It's two clips over there on both sides. It's very easy. You don't have to remove any panel or anything. Just a little bit screwdriver. Be careful not to make any damage. Just if you plug it in right there and pull it, it's gonna come right off. So I put it already, and this one is for the emergency light too. This is how the part looks like, and replacing this is very easy. I think it cost us like 160 or something, this parts from Toyota. So if you take it to Toyota, they probably charge you a lot more, but I hope this help anybody. It has one plug like this. Unplug it and plug that in. That's it. And the airbag light, as you see, it's gone automatically without clearing with a machine or anything. So it basically is sending a signal to the system saying that there's something wrong with the airbag. But if you get a B1660 code for Toyotas, this is Highlander 2008, so I'm pretty sure it's similar to this one in Lexus. So this is what you need to replace. Thank you for watching. Just an update on the parts. So this is what is called control panel assembly, and that is the part number, Toyota part number. Yep. All right, thank you for watching.